Here you can see how we have the 8 stones that are going to be heated in the fire. These are 8 pieces of granite, but they're sitting atop a floor of wood. Now I'll build the framework for the fire around the stones, but you can see these are the stones that will be inside of the majority of the wood. Yeah, so we're back. Fire's been going for about an hour. And you see now I built up the little frame for the lodge. What we have here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of wood. 4 long pieces about maybe 7 feet long. And 8 cross ties. And that's just attached with rubber bands. It's nothing fancy. And now what I'm going to do is cover that with blankets. Let the fun begin. Oh yeah, it's already pretty warm up in here. There's a small space. Doesn't take much to heat up. Now you gotta be damn careful up in here with these red hot stones lying on the ground right next to your body. This is not for people who are irresponsible. So you can kind of see here the stones, little candle, water. So now what we do, so this is the intimacy of the experience. Obviously, normally I'm not going to have a flashlight and all this kind of stuff, but I just wanted to share with you. If you're claustrophobic, you wouldn't like this, but it's very intimate. Now let's get to adding some water to these stones. Once I get the steam going, I'm gonna turn the, it's already really quite warm. You can see I'm sweating. I haven't even added any water. But, and you might wanna just chill at this level. Just a nice dry heat. But let's just see how the steam rises. Eucalyptus and water. Ah. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Lord have mercy. Oh. Oh. Man, that's some good stuff. So this is what it looks like when you emerge from the womb. This is the interesting ceremony. It's like a conscious rebirth. The structure that I constructed is considered, let's see, it's an adult version of returning to the womb. It represents a conscious birth rebirth. Death, resurrection, rebirth. As I emerge from the structure, I am reborn. And you can see I'm lying on the ground. I'm completely humbled by the experience, both physically and mentally too. It's good. Getting as close to the ground as you can.